Welcome to our channel Hiring Mentor. I'm Saujanya. I'm here to ask a few questions about something that is really important for the students and especially for the candidates who are going to attend an interview. Well, let me introduce it as brief. Dressing well is very important to an individual. Dressing well allows any individual to gain confidence and it is one of the important aspects for communication. Communication skills can be easily obtained by an individual if he or she is good at decision making related to the clothing. One can try different elements of clothing, like to look tall, to look short, or to look little bit fat, or to look slim. Well, most of the celebrities use this concept to accentuate their best and camouflage their not so great figure variations. Let me give an example of Amitabh Bachchan, who has one of the trickiest body shapes called diamond body shape, where he would always wear structured clothing. On Sunday, whenever he comes out of his house to wave at his fans, we will notice him wearing tracksuits that are rich in fabric. And actually, this is to make sure the dominant body line of the particular clothing piece are not of his own body. For example, sharing a picture by making a few changes can drastically be a huge impact. For example, if you are working in a company, me being as a head, I cannot just implement some rules and regulations and make them uncomfortable regarding the dress wear. They can wear whatever they want because it boosts confidence in any individual. Now, let's start the asking session. Well, I would like to ask a few questions to Atrija Mirta. The first question I would like to ask her is, how is it important for an individual before attending an interview to maintain the proper dress code?
Yeah, hi. To answer your question, the first thing that I would like to say is dress code or how you are presenting yourself really matters a lot on the final day of interview. The reason is absolutely simple. Whenever you are knocking a door and entering the interview room, say where your board committee members or the interviewers are sitting, the first place where their eye goes is your dress code, what you are wearing and how you are presenting yourself. And it is needless to say, and there is a proverb as well, first impression is the last impression. So definitely you
Yeah,
need to make your first impression extremely strong and powerful so that your interviewers really listen to you throughout the interview and not just pretend
yes.
to listen to you. The way you dress up, the way you present yourself really shows one thing. First of all, how you present yourself professionally. This is something which is very important. Also, it also describes how much respect you give to yourself and to the
Yeah.
people who are conducting your interview. So yes, dressing properly is really very important for an interview.
So can I say it's just a part of the personality development, like to maintain a proper dress code?
Yeah.
Well, the second question I would like you to ask is, what is the dress code of women before appearing for an interview?
Yeah, dress code is for women is an another very important aspect. Many a times women candidate get confused as to what to wear for a particular job interview. So to answer your question, the first thing I would like to say is, let it be men or women, you must wear clothes in which you are comfortable in. Okay, otherwise all the time you will be busy strangling with your clothes and you will be unnecessarily distracted and you might also get rejected from the entire job interview. So the first thing is you must wear clothes in which you are comfortable with. Now let's come to the list of clothes that a woman can wear for the interview. The first thing is they can wear traditional well-fitted cotton suit. Cotton is a very good cloth and you can also wear it because it's very comfortable. Second is you can wear a sari if you're comfortable with, or a salwar suit. And thirdly and most importantly, if you are not comfortable with any of the above two, then you can just wear a formal pantsuit, that is a plain white shirt. Make sure that your shirt is plain in color because it looks very professional and formal. And then for your legs you can obviously wear trousers. This is, I think, the best professional attire that you can dress up for an interview.
Well, the third question I would like to ask you is it really important for women to apply makeup before appearing for an interview, or should they look natural?
Yeah, okay. Now, to answer this question, I would like to say is makeup is something which I personally find is very much unnecessary while going for a job interview. Make sure that the interviewers or the board committee members look into the main aspects, that is the qualities that you have in you, which provokes them to promote you or hire you for their job. That is your personal, interpersonal skills, communication skills, etc. Many a times women candidates get mixed up or get confused with dressing up properly and doing makeup. Let me tell you, and let me just remove this myth from your head. Dressing up professionally or dressing up with good clothes has to do nothing with makeup. So please don't put unnecessary cape or makeup on your face. Yes, if you think that a bit of makeup is required to add to your smartness, then you can surely, but please make sure that you're not looking very much bold, because it looks very bad and distracting for you and the people who are taking your interview as well. So please make sure, and please be careful regarding these things.
Thank you for providing valuable information, and thank you so much for answering to my question. Let's wind up this session. And guys, please subscribe to this channel and please do hit a like and please share this channel to your friends. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day.